Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now today I will discuss about circular pattern. Actually here two types of different patterns here, linear pattern and circular pattern. So today I will discuss about circular pattern. So when you go to new project and apply the space and OK, then add beam and also finish here. So first of all, this is here our graphical method background. When you hear the plane also, right, front, side, bottom, isometric, and this is front. Here the head beam also available, grid and node here, and this is the cursor here. This is rotation available. So when you first of all make the here circular pattern, circular repeated, or so first of all create any number of node and line. So when you create the number of node, one node and one point here. Okay, then exit. This is make for simple member here, and when you first of all enter this here circular pattern, then circular pattern, this is called y-axis here. Apply the y-axis and 360-degree rotation. Number of node is step 3, step 2, step 4. You want whatever number of 6. I want step. First of all selection node here, so go to node and number of node choice in this point. Okay, then already selected here and exit and select for all body, then OK. So look at this circular pattern here, circular pattern like 3D stand, 3D body here. Circular pattern is completed, and when you see the pattern here, front plane, this is side plane, this is right plane, and if you want to join the node here, so point, click here and point, and also join this point to this point. If you joined anything is that point, and again if you join this any node here, so click this point to this point. Same thing is another plane, click the top plane. If you join this point, so when you go to this point, and if you join this point to apply the node beam, it is very easy to join from node beam. And when this is, if you want joint is another thing, so when you again joint here this point to this point, this point to this point, and also join this point to this point. If you joint here, so right. So when you go to whatever it's your joint, it's easy way. If you look at this isometric view, so like this, and if you rotate some different views here, so it is rotation right now. Look at this. So this is called circular pattern here, and same thing another distance and another direction, right? So how to do that another direction? So when look at this here and joint graphical and front plane and join the another line. Okay, exit. So again we will go to pattern here. So when now again join this point. So how to circular, when you select the node, this is called to pattern, and go to circular pattern here and apply the Z direction. If you want Z direction, and go to node and apply the point. and number of step is, if you change 8 and select, again select node and OK, and yes, we will do this Z direction. So look like this is called Z direction of circular pattern. This quantity number of 8, look at this and 3D dimension here. So it is called 3-dimensional working and Z direction of circular pattern. So again I will pattern another direction. So I want to this all pattern, this all circular pattern is directly created the link, not I want joint venues, as well as with create the link for pattern. So enter right now pattern here, where is it, circular pattern, and first of all y direction is here, completed y direction, and number of step has been increases 8, and select the node, and this is called node here. So first my node, and again click this node, and number of 8 quantities. Look at this very important thing is step link. If you give the step link, it means directly created the link continue for pattern. Otherwise, if you not check the link, if you not connect the link but check the link, is directly corrected the link. So when you check the link and select all body here, and you can do this. Okay, you can see that this is our link, directly connected the link 1 2 3. It's like you can see here, I will show you. This is called front view, it's make the all link here, and second thing, and side view, top view here, top view is like that, and bottom view is like that, and isometric view. So again one time I show you how to do that. First of all, your selection is here, circular pattern repeated right now, and I can choose this here, X direction, Y direction, and Z direction rotation. So write this selection is Y direction, and change the number of step, how many step. So when you give here number of step, and very important thing, apply the link step. So okay, link step, and then after you go to select this all component, all members, and you can do this. Okay, so you can see here how to join the link and how to adjust the link. It's a very good for joint and automatically link attached for every node. Look at this here, this is called front view. If you want another node has been joined, so click the add beam and join is continue directly. There is no any problem here. Joint, if you want to join, so easy way of join for your link here, this is okay, this is right. And next thing is another if you another view is top view and right view, isometric view. So it is very important, and this is circular pattern working. So when you want join the link here, so add beam, select add beam, and join easily anywhere. This is other step for add beam. So today has been complete the circular pattern session. So thank you.